This is for Year 12 Specialist. It comes out of 7D, question number 1C and 1F. Okay, in 1C, I notice that I've got a sine and a cos squared. If I was to make cos of x equal to u, so u equals the cos of x, which means that du dx equals negative sine of x, which means that du equals negative sine x dx. So I've got my sine x and my dx. To make it negative, I put a negative out the front. So I've got the integral with a negative of u squared du, because u is cos of x, so cos squared becomes u squared, and negative sine of x dx is my du. Since I've changed my variable to u, I need to change my terminals. So if u equals the cos of x, when x equals 0, u is going to equal the cos of 0, or 1. And when x equals pi on 2, u is going to equal the cos of pi on 2, which is 0. So I'm going from 1 to 0. Since I have a negative out the front, if I multiply them by negative 1, that's the same as swapping the terminals around and making it positive. U squared du, which is equal to u cubed on 3 from 0 to 1, which is 1/3 minus nothing. The answer is 1/3. Okay, so that's question 1C. Looking at 1F, if I was to consider u, if I was to make u equal to log e of x, then du dx is equal to 1 on x, so du equals 1 on x dx. And I've actually got 1 on x and dx. So that's going to equal the integral of 1 on u du. And I need to change my terminals. So when x equals e, u is going to equal log base e of e, which is 1. And when x equals e squared, u is going to equal log base e of e squared, which is equal to 2. So it's going from 1 to 2. So what will the integral be? The integral will equal log base e of u from 1 to 2, which is log base e of 2 minus log base e of 1. Log base e of 1 equals 0, so it's equal to log base e of 2.